Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today guys, we still have our very fine one here, the man from China. As I said last week in the previous video, we are going to be showing you how to use this amazing product to create other breakfast meals, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make with a very special Rosow pancake, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so these are our ingredients we have. Okay, so we have our milk, and we have our melted butter, we have our vanilla essence. This is our sugar, we have some eggs, salt, and baking powder, okay? And then the special star of the show, we have our Rosow cereal mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and then start with the preparation, okay? So you're making pancake. You mix your wet ingredient before you mix your dry ingredient, okay? So for our wet ingredient, we're gonna add our milk into our mixing bowl. We're gonna go ahead and crack in 2 eggs. We're gonna add in a little splash of vanilla essence, and then finally we add in our melted butter. So now we just mix everything together. So you can just go ahead with the mixing. Okay, so whilst I'm mixing our wet ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and mix our dry ingredients too as well. So we have our Rosow cereal mix right here, and we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. So we go ahead and pour in our Rosow cereal mix into our mixing bowl. Okay, so we have our Rosow cereal mix, and then we're going to be adding our salt, and I'm going to list all the full ingredients down in the description box below, okay? So I'm going to add in baking powder too. We're also going to add in our sugar. So we go ahead and mix our dry ingredients together. One thing I really have to say about the Rosow is, I don't know if it's because it's a combination of different cereals. It really smells different than our regular flour.
Yeah, actually it has a nice fragrance and aroma because of the
Yeah.
rice and the oat mixed together.
Oh, okay. Because it really does smell good. So as I'm mixing our dry ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and add in our wet ingredients as well. So we're gonna go ahead and pour in our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. I'm not going to pour everything at the moment. I'm just going to add the rest little by little, okay? So now, the key to mixing pancake is you don't want to over-mix the batter, okay? You want to slowly mix everything together, but don't over-mix it, okay, guys? So I'm going to slowly incorporate everything together, but you want to be careful so you don't over-mix the batter. So as you can see, you need a little bit more liquid, so I'm going to add it. And if after adding the liquid it's still not enough, you can go ahead and add in some extra tablespoons of water. That would help loosen everything up, okay? Okay guys, so after mixing everything, this is the kind of consistency you're going for, okay? You don't want a very thin or thick batter, okay? And like I must say guys, like in the beginning, the aroma was insane. But after adding all the ingredients, and I'm like, this thing, like the aroma is just like, because guys, like, trust me, maybe I think I'm lying, but like the owner is here, so let me tell you about the aroma, because like it's really insane. This whole space is smelling very good. It's not even cooked, blue guys. It's not even cooked. Get this now, Charlie. Get this now, guys.
Rosow cereal milk. Okay guys, so at the moment we are done mixing the ingredients with the Rosow cereal mix.
So we are now going to head to the stove, and we're going to fry this up, okay? So yeah, let's go. Come closer. Okay guys, so now we now have our pan on heat, and we are going to be adding in some butter. Okay. So we're going to melt down this butter before we start frying our pancakes. Okay, so once we have our butter nicely melted, we're going to take a scoop of our pancake mix, and then we're going to pour it directly into our pan. So if you want to know the time you should flip your pancakes, when you see these bubbles coming up on top of your pancake like this, it's a perfect indication that you can flip your pancakes. So let's go ahead and flip it. And this right here is a very beautiful looking pancake, guys. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the top side is also cooked, so we can now go ahead and transfer our pancake onto our plate. And now all we do is just repeat the process until everything is exhausted.
Wow.
Okay guys, so we are done and this is our beautiful Rosow pancake, and now all we're gonna do is just top it off with some butter and then we just add our syrup, guys. Wow guys, just look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Like, it looks so beautiful, like guys, wow. Alright guys, we are done and it's now time for the taste test. So we're going to be digging in. We're going to be giving you our honest opinion about it, okay? If it was good or was not good, okay? So let's just dig into it. Okay guys, so here we go.
Oh my god.
Okay guys.
So guys.
So let's go, cheers.
I've never ever tasted something like this. So this pancake is very delicious. It's so unique. The aroma itself is so amazing, guys. You need to try this at home. Wow. It's so yummy, guys. It's so yummy.
Now, hear me out, hear me out. This is just amazing. Like, the perfect way to explain this is amazing. Because, I don't know, like, how can I explain this? The cereal mix itself is amazing. Adding different ingredients to making this pancake has taken it from this place here to this place. Wow, this is absolutely amazing, guys. I can't wait to like finally see the official Rosow pancake mix out there, because like I'll be willing to buy this because this is really amazing.
So guys, this is not a regular pancake, you know. This pancake made out of Rosow soya mix. Alright, it's made up of 4 ingredients. So its nutrients, its value, its taste, its flavor is so amazing. It's quite different. So you can use Rosow for other things. So this is the first video of its kind whereby you're using Rosow for pancake. Alright, so you can also try this at home. Get yourself Rosow soya mix from the shops around, and or you can call the number which was given earlier on to make a purchase to also try this out at home. So we're waiting for your orders.
So I think we should like repeat the numbers just in case somebody missed it in the beginning.
Oh, okay, alright. So Rosow soya mix is a new product. You can find it in the nearby supermarkets. Yeah, or you can follow us on Instagram. Our IG handle is Rosow cereal. You can make an order right there and we'll deliver it to you. You can also call this number as well to make a purchase: 059 495 1366. You can also make a purchase on Jumia. So just make an order on Jumia and we'll deliver it to you as soon as possible. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, like I said, like this is super amazing, and I think we need a taste tester to come and take this. You guys may think like we are just kidding or something. That we need somebody else to come and take this, so that somebody can give you his honest opinion about what we made today, guys. So let's give it up for what's. All right, guys. So like we need a taste tester to like taste and confirm, because this is absolutely incredible. Enjoy.
Feel free.
Hopefully, yeah.
First of its kind. First of its kind.
And I don't think you've had this before, right? So this is your first time. Taste it and give us your honest opinion about it. What do you think? It's amazing, eh? Like I said,
Amazing.
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 That's just the way you can use to explain this, guys. So guys, again, stay tuned. There's another video coming up, guys. We are going to show you how to make another recipe using our amazing Rosow cereal. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Like this video, share this video, be a part of the family, tell a friend and another friend. Keep on sharing the video, guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time in another video. Peace out.